Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story. High-level idea. Ram was a well-known writer and had recently published a book based on real-life social issues. The book was well received by people and it made him more determined to highlight more social-related issues.
While thinking about it, he got an idea to write about crimes against women and children.
He created the book based on facts he gathered from various sources and published the book, bringing out solutions to the problem as well. The book was received even better than the previous one and he aimed to continue to write better books in the future. Qualities demonstrated: good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, determined, and making appropriate decisions. Story 2. Average level idea. Ram was a final year graduate. He was selected to participate in a national level science exhibition. He met with his team and they discussed various ideas, but they were unable to decide on a final topic.
While at home, he thought about the idea of creating electricity from waste materials and studied more about the subject in detail.
The next day he convinced the team to go ahead with his idea and they prepared the project. At the exhibition, the project was well received by everyone. Qualities demonstrated: optimism, average level of problem solving, responsible, determined.
Thanks, subscribe and keep watching for such videos. If you have any doubts regarding SSB interview,
then visit the playlist section.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.